Hi everyone! Today we're doing a gentle Tai Chi routine to burn belly fat and improve balance. It's low impact, joint friendly, and perfect for a calm yet effective workout. No equipment needed, just find some space, take a breath, and let's get started. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Open your arms, then gently shift your weight to one side as your elbows draw in. Move smoothly without rushing, helping engage your core and support gentle belly fat reduction without impact. Next exercise. Three, two, one, go. Extend your hands forward, then rotate your upper body with slow, comfortable control. This gentle twist helps wake up your waist and core while staying easy on your joints and free of impact. Exercise 3. Three, two, one, begin. Sink into a comfortable squat, then slowly rise as your arms open toward the sky. Breathe naturally and enjoy the gentle lift, helping your whole body feel lighter and more relaxed without stress. Exercise 4. Three, two, one, join me. Press one palm forward as you shift your weight to the side, keeping the opposite hand close to your chest. Stay relaxed and move with control, encouraging smooth coordination throughout your body. Exercise 5. Three, 2, 1, let's begin. Sweep your arms overhead as one leg extends lightly behind you. Stay balanced and relaxed, enjoying a gentle stretch through your body while moving without jumping or unnecessary strain. Moving without jumping or unnecessary strain. Next exercise. Three, 2, 1, follow along. Lower into a comfortable horse stance, then press your hands forward as you rise. This controlled movement gently engages your core, helping support belly fat reduction while keeping every motion smooth and low impact. Exercise 7. Three, 2, 1, move with me. Step forward softly as your hands float down, then circle upward into a rounded overhead position. Keep the motion slow and relaxed, allowing your shoulders and spine to move with gentle ease. Switch sides. Exercise 8. Three, 2, 1, go. Uncross your arms and lift one knee into a comfortable balance as your arms relax by your sides. Stay steady and move without rushing, improving balance and confidence through gentle, stress-free practice. Exercise 9. Three, 2, 1, begin. Lower into a comfortable squat as both palms press forward with steady control. This gentle movement activates your core and legs, helping support belly fat reduction without jumping or placing extra stress on your joints. Exercise 10. Three, two, one, join me. Shift your weight smoothly from one side to the other while keeping your movements calm and controlled. Relax your shoulders and enjoy the gentle flow, improving coordination and overall body awareness. Next exercise. Three, two, one, let's begin. Place your hands behind your head, lower into a comfortable squat, then turn gently through your upper body. Keep your chest open and your posture tall to encourage better spinal mobility and healthy posture. Exercise 12. Full body relaxation. Let your movements become slower and softer as your breathing settles into a natural rhythm. Release tension from your shoulders, hips, and legs, finishing today's practice feeling calm, refreshed, and completely at ease. Great job completing today's practice. I hope you feel more energized and relaxed. Remember, consistency is key to burning belly fat and seeing results, so try to do this routine daily. If you enjoyed this session, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gentle Tai Chi routines. Check out this playlist here for more exercises to stay fit after 50. Thank you for practicing with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.